So this is a topic that's more and more talked about, and we're figuring out how big of an impact inflammation is having on both physical and mental health. Inflammation can affect the gut, but when the inflammation happens in the gut, it can also affect the brain. So let's say if you consume a food that irritates your intestines, maybe gluten or dairy or whatever that you may be sensitive to, and the gut gets all inflamed and unhappy, that drives systemic inflammation, which then affects health of the whole body, and it may affect brain health. And it may also drive autoimmunity or just an overactivation of the immune system, which causes all kinds of other problems. Inflammation does not discriminate, right? So it just attacks everything potentially, like in whatever your vulnerabilities or genetic predispositions are. So one person may get stomach issues and a different person may get arthritis in their joints, and someone else may get depression. In fact, inflammation has been linked to a huge range of health issues, both physical and mental. And now it's considered a fundamental sign of underlying physical and mental health. So chronic inflammation can lead to dysfunction of synapses, destruction of synapses, and negative changes in brain structure. And that in turn can contribute to development of mental illness and then cognitive decline, all kinds of other issues. But here is where it gets really interesting. Your lifestyle choices play a significant role in determining whether you're more vulnerable to illness or more resilient. So everything from what you eat, how you live, how you treat your body, it has a biological impact. Let's take, for example, stress. So stress is a major contributor to inflammatory issues, and it can have a very negative effect on the brain. It can affect, for example, the hippocampus, which is crucial for learning, for memory. And there's lots of research showing that a lifestyle change, like something like meditation, can actually reverse some of the damage caused to that important brain structure by stress. And people who meditate regularly have been found to have noticeable improvements in brain structure, including increased thickness in certain brain areas and just healthier brains. So what can we do to make healthier lifestyle choices and reduce inflammation? Well, in other videos in this series, we'll go deeper into strategies like improving sleep and exercising, maintaining a healthy diet, all kinds of things like that. But for now, just remember that everyone has a certain threshold when it comes to inflammation, and by making positive lifestyle choices, you can tip the balance in favor of anti-inflammatory reactions, anti-inflammatory processes, and that will protect your brain, protect the synapses between the cells. It will protect the function and the structure of your brain, while certain other choices can dip the scale in the direction of inflammation, right, and synapse destruction. So it's important to understand how inflammation works and to invest into making even small changes to protect your brain from inflammation.